taking a look at how to find different keywords for blog posts and or blog post ideas for your website. For example, I'm going to be taking a look at fingerstyle guitar keywords. Play guitar, I like fingerstyle guitar, so I feel like this is appropriate to talk about. The only tools I'll be using besides Google Sheets is Ahrefs. If you don't have Ahrefs, make sure to get a subscription, do their trial, and yeah, and here we go. So what I did first is how to play fingerstyle guitar on an incognito window. And then I'm going to take a look at some of the first few sites, guitarlessons.com, guitartricks.com. We'll do ArtistWorks, Uberchord, and then Justin Guitar. We'll do one more. Yeah. So pretty detailed posts, right? A lot of diagrams, text, stuff like that. So let's take a look at this in Ahrefs and see what it's ranking for. See if that's a good keyword to go after. Usually when I'm looking for blog posts in a new niche or topic, I like to first find the how-to guides. From there, I'll take a look at the website and see what other blog posts they have that they're ranking for. So you can tell this page right here is ranking for 590 different keywords and 2,300 traffic with a traffic value of about $2,000 a month. So let's take a look at the organic keywords that they're ranking for. So they're ranking for fingerstyle guitar, which is 4. They're ranking for fingerstyle guitar lesson, learn fingerstyle guitar lesson. So the best keyword in my personal opinion is going to be fingerstyle guitar lessons. And just keep going down. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. So fingerstyle guitar lessons is the best keyword for that. Fingerstyle guitar is a little too broad in my opinion. So you would want to target this. It has 700 search volume, 3 keyword difficulty, and a 2 cost per click. So really easy keyword to go after. Great. So that's going to be blog post number 1 there. So 100, 3, and then it was 2. So let's just put here keyword, if I can spell it correctly, monthly searches, difficulty, and then CPC, which if you guys don't know what CPC, it's just cost per click. And that's with Google Ads. But anyways, that's the first one. Now, we know that this topic is getting searches, right? Between fingerstyle guitar, that's 5,800 searches a month, net which 700. So take a look at their site and see what other things that they're ranking for. So all you have to do is go under here and go to domain instead and take a look at this. So now you can start seeing a bunch of other different keywords that they're ranking for. So I'm just gonna go through and try to find some fingerstyle stuff real quick. Really easy way to do that is under here there's include. So let's do fingerstyle. Okay, here we go. If you guys don't know, fingerstyle, finger picking is another word that people use instead. So easy finger picking songs, right? Another blog post. Take a look at this. We're loading up the URL. 7 fingerstyle songs you need to know, right? Blackbird, Tears in Heaven, Hey There Delilah, Dust in the Wind, Fire Rain, Hallelujah, and Stairway to Heaven. And then there we go. And pretty much, it just links you to the tab. So kind of thin content on here besides the YouTube video, but yeah, another blog post. So we'll copy that over here, which I get 1,600 searches a month, a difficulty of 2, and then a CPC, look at that, 1 penny. So already within 5 minutes, we've found 2 keywords. So let's just keep going. Let's see. Fingerstyle guitar patterns. About 100 searches, not too bad, right? 4 difficulty, 0.5. So I'll put that in here. There we go. And anyone that plays fingerstyle guitar would want to learn some of the different patterns, especially if you're brand new to it. It really helps you out. So it's really good content to add to your site, especially if you have like a niche website or anything like that. Okay. Fun fingerstyle guitars, fingerstyle songs. Kind of already goes after that. Beginner finger picking songs. Which one do we go over? Easy. So it's just a variation of that. Learning fingerstyle guitar. Okay, fingerstyle patterns. Okay, so this isn't a bad one right here. So fingerstyle exercise. So I'm actually going to take a look at the blog post itself. And the way you do that in Ahrefs is go over here, go to overview. And I'm going to see what they rank for with this one. Actually, it's the same thing. So personally, I think you could have 2 different blog posts on that. So I'm just going to do that there. So this one gets 350, 1, and then it was 0.03. So we're at 4, and we'll just keep going. Only looks like this site possibly has 2 URLs for the fingerstyle, so they have the one that's 7 and then how to play, and then the fingerstyle patterns. So I'm gonna go to actually take a look at another website and see what they're doing. So the site's kind of exhausted for that now. I'm going to take a look at guitartricks.com. So let's go over here. I'm just going to look at their URL and or their domain in general and just do fingerstyle. Okay, so that's all one URL there. Fingerstyle Christmas songs. So this is a good keyword, but it's seasonal. So across 12-month average, it's 90 searches, but towards November, December, this is going to spike up and you'll get more traffic to your website. So if you have a lot of posts on your website already and you're fine with getting some additional seasonal traffic, perfect. But if you're brand new, starting a site, I wouldn't really recommend going after seasonal keywords. But for now, for this tutorial, I'm going to add this in here. So it's 90, 0, and 0.35. 0.35. Oops. There we go. And based off of this alone, I'm sure there's fingerstyle Halloween songs, fingerstyle, I don't know. We can just do literally every holiday pretty much. Let's see. Fingerstyle guitar strings, but it doesn't really get many searches. I'm gonna check the individual page real quick and see if there's anything better. Their traffic's 20, so maybe not. I mean, it has a bunch of variations and stuff like that, so it's not a great keyword. Someone that wants to know this stuff would want to know what type of strings potentially. So I'm just going to add that in here just for the sake of time. And we'll do that. Find a few more and then we'll call it a tutorial. Actually, that's a slightly better one. Best acoustic guitar strings for finger. Oh, best guitar strings for fingerstyle. There we go. So that's 54 and 0.3. I don't know how I missed that. Kind of rushing through this a little bit, so that's probably why. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . So individual songs too, at least in this case, might be decent. So I'm going to take a look at this URL, see if it's a blog post or just a video. Don't want that going off. So it can kind of be a blog post, but why not? Oh, it only has 20 searches. Let's not do that. All Star, the meme song, is now on here. So advanced only has 10 searches. It's kind of a bummer, but I thought it would have more. We could do best fingerstyle guitar songs. I don't think we did that. We did easy. Oops. Yeah, we could do that for sure. 54 and 0.3. Pretty much the same as the one for the... Oh, wait. Oh, I misread that. I'm an idiot. I thought I was saying best songs. So based off of this also, we can go to our Keyword Explorer and search some things. So I'm going to type in best guitar for fingerstyle, because we already had the strings. And look at that. So just knowing that a guitar also is associated with it, 0, 100, 1.2. So we'll add that in here. Another thing that's associated with fingerstyle guitar is thumb pick. So we'll type in here thumb pick. I think it's one word. Let's try two. Do thumb pick. Doesn't get many searches. So yeah. Anyways, there's a lot you can do with this. I think I had enough examples in here just to go through that. So yeah, make sure you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel, check out the description down below for any additional links and information, and I will catch you guys in the next video.